Hey there everybody, so I forgot my microphone for my OM1 Mark II doing video duty right now, and this is about as rough as it gets. That's ISO 6400 and whatever, so this is testing. I want to see what it'll do, so that's interesting. And I'm out here at the park, and I've got the OM3 with me, and we're going to see what we see and test what we can test. On the OM1, I've got the 20, I always say that 24, I always want to say 24. I got the 12 to 40 2.8 at 2.8, and that's what's doing the video. And then on the OM3, I've got the 12 to 45 f4. And the key to what I'm doing here is, you know, I've shot these scenes in 8x10 film. And I've shot it on the A7R5, and I've shot it on the Fuji X-T5. So I just want to see what the OM system will do. This is a really good test because it's dark and it's nighttime photography, and you know, this is going to test it. If the M43 has trouble, it's going to have trouble with this. So we'll see. Let's go back to the office and post-process these and see where we're at. I should take some at like ISO, little higher ISOs to see what the noise does. So I'm going to do one more at a higher ISO and see what I can get away with. Okay, so that went well. My takeaway is I really enjoy shooting with those cameras. They are really fantastic, and they're really easy to use in the field. And when it's cold and you're trying to set stuff, and I'm still not even used to them right now. So that was a big success in terms of they're very enjoyable to shoot with. Now, how did the images look? Well, you know, I think they turned out just fine. And so the M43, I'm not sure it's the Pixel Peepers camera, because you start drilling into 200% and 300% and 400%, and you know, things start not being tack sharp, right? But on the other hand, like at 100% or smaller, at normal viewing sizes, everything looks just fine. And for me, you know, 95% of the people who claim to be photographers don't print their work. And so for me, I'm good. These prints are totally, you know, if the composition was great and it was worth framing and matting and all that, I've got no problems with the prints. So that's, you know, and they can go bigger. And how big you making your prints, you know? And somebody suggested gigapixel AI, and yeah, if you're making 30 by 40s or 40 by 60s, it's a sensor size and megapixel count are really a moot point at this point. It doesn't make any difference. These cameras are fine, the lenses are sharp, the cameras are sharp, and more importantly, the cameras are a pleasure to shoot. And heck, this is cropped down to 15 megapixels. Right, this is like 15.6 megapixels when you crop a 20 megapixel M43 sensor square. and no worries, you know, no problem whatsoever. So there is that. I thought the video did pretty good too. Now, it's early days and I'm still dialing stuff in. There's a bit of a green cast that I'm seeing and stuff, and so I need to tweak and, you know, and I'll fine tune it. You know, it takes a while to get things dialed in, but so far so good. This was a pretty harsh test. I mean, these are tough conditions. There was very little light, and the video autofocus seemed to work. I'll put it this way, and don't get me wrong, I love my Fuji cameras, but the Olympus, it's not Olympus, the OM System OM1 Mark II autofocus worked as good in that very dim light, worked as good as the Fujis do in normal light. So there is that. Well, whatever. It is what it is, right? And I'm impressed. What can I say? So far, so good. Check out my Patreon channel. There's content up there even for free members. And there's stuff I can post up there I can't post on YouTube. So if you want to see more of me, that's the place to go. And of course, if you want to support me there, that's a wonderful thing. And it's greatly appreciated. Every little bit helps, and I very much appreciate it. On YouTube, obviously, subscriptions are the way to go, and doesn't cost you anything, and all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and support the non-AI real people that you like, that are trying to give you content that you enjoy. I mean, that's the name of that game. All right, we'll see you out there. More to come. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.